Hello everyone. So this is a laundry room and there's 24 by 24 porcelain on the floor, and I have a backsplash. They're 2.5 in width and 6 inches in length. The grout is still drying. It's a warm gray ultra color mapai. As you can see, I did this side as well. I also did a picture frame vent with a tile insert, so just give me 1 second and I'll zoom in. And actually I have an install for that. It's just going to be a short video, but just to give you an idea of how it works. Someday soon I will post that up, but I am working on other videos at the moment. Okay, so this is a kitchen backsplash. And there's quite a bit of work in here, a lot of cutting around the shelves. And what I did was I made it worked out to be a full at the top and a full at the bottom. The grout is still drying, so things will still start to lighten up. As you can see, they wanted me to do around the window frame as well. That's actually a really nice warm tile, by the way. I really like the look of that. Before you get started, you should always center your hood fan and equal cuts on both sides. And it actually worked out to be a full at the bottom and at the top, as well as to your right where the fridge is going to be. You see that by the fridge, so it's a full on the bottom and a full at the top. I hope you guys really like this. Thank you very much. Bye.